My final conclusion on how you can use AI to make so much money this year. You see, one of the easiest ways to make money from AI is to create content with it. And when I say content, I don't just mean you should just create content online and just be saying 7 ways to do this. No, make content that can pay you money. How do you do that? Number one, create a digital product. You can write a book using AI. Now, let me tell you the truth. I have written over 3 to 4 books. I'm writing the fifth book with AI right now. And these are not Amazon books. These are like personal books that I write based off of my conviction. And I've sold them. I created this book with almost zero naira, just my energy, my stress, 3 hours on my computer, on my phone, and I have generated 6 figures from this book. You understand? I've also used these AI tools to create video slides. I've also used AI tools to create video slides, videos for my YouTube channel, and many other things. So these are just secret I'm giving you. Your job is not to be thinking of randomness. Your job is to use these tools to make money. Create an ebook, create a course. You can create slides with your AI tools. There's one AI tool that is called Gamma AI. You can use that AI to create a slide, video your screen, and just start giving information. You can also create a book. Use Canva is also there. Canva has its own AI. You can use it to create your book cover. Many AI tools have been positioned for you to profit. But the problem is that many people are not going to exploit it because it is very, very easy to be lazy, and it is very, very easy to follow the bandwagon of dopamine, whatever they call that thing. It is very, very easy to just be a wandering generality and just be enjoying these things instead of using it to be profitable for yourself. And I'm speaking to my Nigerian people and my African people. If you're an African and you're just swayed by this intelligence stuff, you're just using AI to like do random personal things and you're not really using it to profit, then today is a clarion call. Start writing books, start creating courses, start creating things that you can sell. Yes, you can use it for your own personal life, but create something you can sell. Profit from all these things now that you have the time. You understand? If you want to learn how to profit from I have a full masterclass I'm going to be holding, and it's exclusive. It's not for everybody. So if you're interested in that masterclass, all you just need to do right now is to just in the comment section just type AI, and I'm going to send you a private link to your DM so that you can join the class. It's not a random class, and that is why it is not everybody wouldn't really have access to it. Only people that are interested, just type in the comment section AI, and I'm going to send you the private link in your DM. So with that being said, AI is a very, very beautiful tools, especially generative AI. You can do so much with it. I know a lot of AI tools. I'm going to teach you how to use all of them, only if you're interested in them. With that being said, see you in class.